Okay, so this is a short video tutorial about ABBYY PDF Transformer Plus and how to use it and how people go about using it. So first things first, if we just open up the program. There it is in search. Now if it's not actually installed on a university computer, you can install it via the software center. So I'm just going to click on the program itself. That opens up, and I am going to choose a PDF file that I've already saved onto the computer, for instance this one, gender differences. Okay, that brings up the PDF as is in the PDF reader program, and as you can see it's a fairly standard PDF in columns from what looks like a scan of a textbook. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of steps to make it a little bit more accessible. I'm going to go to this icon here and I'm going to convert it to a Microsoft Word document. Now, considering how large the file is, this can take some time. It can take a minute, up to a minute usually, if it's dense text, but as you can see it's quite a quick process. Now a student could be at university doing this, or they could be doing this via desktop anywhere, or they could be doing this if they have the software loaded on their computer at home. Okay, so what we have now is we have an open document, an open Word document. It opens the Word document automatically, and it has transferred the information into a Word document. Now that Word document can now be edited. For instance, if we have a look at the text here, we can select that text and change that text to another version. For instance, if it's sans serif we are looking for, let me have a look here, or serif, or if we have plenty of other options here. Arial is nice for easy reading when it comes to dyslexia, and that changes it automatically. You can select all the text and change the text that way, and you can also do other things such as look at design, look at the colors of the design. For instance, you can change the page color using a fairly simple button there. You can change that to green. It just improves readability, and it improves your readability options when it comes to the screen. Of course, now because this is a Word document, this is a lot more easily recognized by any screen reader that we want to use. For instance, if I bring up NVDA, which is a screen reader which a lot of our students are looking at this moment in time. Okay, and
we highlight despite gender difference, this left quote for decades. Scientific studies have left quote for decades. Scientific studies have attempted to delineate the fundamental similarities and differences between the sexes. Right quote left paren Doe and Kite 1987 right paren. In advertising, these differences are especially important because gender has historically been used as a basis for market segmentation.
And so on and so forth. So that now is able to be used by a screen reader. If it's been able to be used by NVDA, it's usually been able to be used by any tool, including Read and Write, which the university offers, which offers a screen reader itself. Okay, so that's hopefully a quick explanation of how you can use ABBYY PDF Transformer Plus to make a document more accessible. Okay, thank you very much for your time.